Keeping your team aligned using a shared roadmap is crucial for success, but how do you actually do it? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to break it down in the most straightforward way possible, giving you the key steps to get your team on the same page, working towards the same goals, and achieving better results. First off, it's important to understand that a shared roadmap isn't just a project timeline, it's a visual tool that clearly outlines goals, milestones, and key initiatives. By using this roadmap, you'll ensure everyone on your team knows what to focus on, when to execute, and how their tasks fit into the bigger picture. But you need a way to make sure that roadmap is easy to understand and accessible at all times, so let's jump into how you can achieve that. The first step is to choose the right software. Not all project management tools will allow you to create and manage an effective shared roadmap. This software we're using today will help you build a roadmap that's not only clear, but also interactive, allowing your team to see updates, track progress, and adjust priorities in real time. I've tried several tools for this, and after testing, I found this one to be the most effective. And by the way, if you want to follow along with the software we're using, you can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description. It's only available to my viewers, so be sure to grab it. Now, once you've got the software set up, you'll want to make sure you create a high-level overview first. Start by mapping out your main objectives and the milestones you need to hit. This will help your team see the end goals clearly, and from there, you can break things down into smaller tasks that are easier to manage. The second step is to keep the roadmap updated. If things shift or new tasks emerge, you need to adjust the roadmap so that it remains a reflection of the current priorities. It's essential that everyone on the team knows when something has changed, and with real-time updates, the whole team will be aware instantly. This minimizes confusion and helps your team stay focused on what's important. Third, make your roadmap visible. Ensure it's accessible to everyone at any time. This means using a platform where the roadmap is always visible, and team members can check in and see where things stand without needing to ask for updates. A shared roadmap only works if it's a living, breathing document that's constantly in front of your team. Next, ensure accountability and ownership. Assign tasks and mark deadlines within the roadmap, but also make sure each person is clear on their responsibility. When everyone knows what's expected of them and when, they can take full ownership of their work. Finally, keep communication open. The roadmap is a great tool, but it's not the only tool. Make sure there's space for team members to ask questions, offer feedback, and communicate issues or blockers. When issues arise, being able to talk through them quickly will prevent them from derailing the entire roadmap. So, what's the key takeaway? A shared roadmap helps keep your team aligned by giving everyone clarity, visibility, and accountability. To get this right, choose the right software, create an overview of key objectives, keep it updated, make it accessible, assign ownership, and maintain clear communication. To quickly recap, 1. Choose the right software. 2. Start with a high-level overview. 3. Keep it updated and accessible. 4. Assign clear ownership and deadlines. 5. Maintain open communication. And before we wrap up, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial to the software we use today. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.